Okay, we're back trading commodities. By way of introduction, my name is Mike. Today, we're going to go over some of the things we need to do in order to, get started trading commodities in a much more simplified way than what I've been seeing presented lately. There's a lot of platforms out in the market today. Some more complex than others, and for what it's worth, I mean, they all pretty much culminate in the same exact results, which is choosing a commodity and then eventually reaping the benefits of the results. Be it they do day trading or swing trading. Which, in fact, that's what I'm going to be demonstrating today. I'm going to demonstrate the swing trading part of trading commodities. I leave day trading up to the pros. To me, I never tried the day trading aspect, but it seems to me like it just involves a lot more stress than what I'm willing to put up with. So, if you're into the day trading, there are many platforms that'll teach or that will show you day trading. My favorite is Ninja Trader. They seem to be pretty, on the up and up as far as the day trading aspect goes. But me myself, I learned swing trading from the beginning, so I tend to want to stick with swing trading myself. It's really up to you. And swing trading involves trades that could take from 3 to 4 or 2 to 3 months up to a year in order to get the results that you're looking for. All right. Also, I want to put out a just quick little disclaimer that the information in this video and preceding videos and the videos from here on out, and they're for entertainment purposes only. Past performance is not an indicator of future results, especially when it comes to stocks, futures trading, or options trading. Use some caution when dealing with brokers. I think their intentions are good. They have good intentions, but a lot of time brokers, they don't know where to draw the line between executing an order and giving advice. So when it comes to brokers, you just want to use the brokers to execute your orders, and you don't really want to take much advice from them. This could get you, in a bit of a mess as far as your money goes, because one thing you got to understand, a broker's goal is mainly to deplete your account as fast as they possibly can. Brokers, their livelihood depends on the commissions that they get from executing orders. So their advice, you have to take it with a grain of salt. And if you take it, you have to take it with tremendous caution. When I first started, I dealt with Main Street trading down in Newport Beach, and the brokers, me and a couple of brokers, we developed a, pretty decent, pretty good relationship. And the relationship was good up to the point of, executing my order for a commodity. And this particular commodity was the euro dollar. And it was back when Alan Greenspan was in office, and I think he lowered the percentage rate on the dollar, which made it more powerful overseas because people would, let's start buying more because the percentage rate lowered. And I listened to that advice, and I lost everything in my account at that point. And I had paper traded, but I wasn't as savvy as I am now with paper trading. But all the indicators that I had led to trading on cocoa options. I didn't listen to the direction that I set for myself and the goals that I set, and I took their advice, and I lost everything in my account. And, there was nothing to be said about it from them or anybody else. So, like I said, take their advice with a grain of salt. And if you do take their advice, be forewarned that, there's a high probability that your account will be depleted. Their job is not to care whether or not you lose money. Their job is to execute the order, get a commission so they can split the commission with the with the brokerage firm, and hey, move on to the next customer. A lot of brokers, they might have vast knowledge about the market, but rest assured they're in the same boat as you are. They are as unaware of the market as you are. Matter of fact, you might be more aware of the market than they are because you are paper trading. Make sure you paper trade until you are 110% certain of your technique. Develop a technique that you are comfortable with. The ways I'm showing you today, it's my technique. It's what works for me. I mean, you can use it for as long as you like, but if my technique if it puts you in a comfort zone, then hey, by all means, follow that technique. Let's get started with some of the tools we're going to need to start trading. So first thing you're going to need is a calculator. And then you're going to need something to keep record of your commodities. So I use Notepad and then, Windows calculator. They're pretty effective for what it's worth. Next up, you're going to need a platform to trade. And I like to use commoditiescharts.com. Pretty, and they cover all of the commodities. And one thing you need to know, there are not hundreds and thousands of commodities like there are stocks. Say there's only, you only have, I'm going to say about 30, maybe 40 commodities that you can trade. And these are all the ones I tend to, that I tend to concentrate on. A dollar. These are your currencies. These are your energies, like crude oil, gasoline, natural gas, and Brent crude oil, ethanol futures. This is your T-bond, ultra T-bond. These are your financials. 20-year U.S. dollar swap, and a 7-year U.S. dollar, 2-year T-note, 5-year T-note, 10-year, on and on. Grains include wheat, corn, soybeans, oats, and canola. You got the indices, which is similar to the stock, but it's a commodity. This is fairly new. I just noticed this, and I've only gotten back into commodities in the last, say about 3 to 4 years. So this is a new thing to me. I never saw stocks mixed with commodities. So this is new and pretty exciting to me anyway. You got these are your E-mini stocks. These are the mini stocks. And you got the E-mini S&P, you got the DJIA mini, the Russell 2000 mini, and the mini S&P mid cap. All right, so you got meats also. You got the live cattle, feeder cattle, lean hogs. These are the commodities right here that will make you some serious money once you really get the grasp of what you're doing. You really want to make this your base, your cash base, once you get the hang of trading. Of course, you got the metals. Oh, sorry. You got the metals. Your gold, your silver, high-grade copper, platinum, palladium, and the softs: cotton, orange juice, coffee, lumber, and also these three these four right here. These will also be your cash cow, or your base of your cash base. Once you get the hang of trading, you will notice very fast that the meats and these softs down here, these will make you a tremendous amount of money. once you get the hang of it.